Hi, I'm Devin Kenny, and I'm in Mr. Rasmussen's IS3 Integrated Science class. My classmates with me are Christina Rao, Megan Dinkstein.
Well, let's see them. You can't just call them. Who are they? Is that Megan?
Megan, Tony Castro, Christina
I can't
Rao.
see them from here. You got to step out of the way. Let me see them. Who are you?
Tony Castro, Christina Rao.
Ben Davis.
Okay, now back in there.
Our energy is geothermal energy. Why we should use it over fossil fuels and why it is better. Geothermal energy, how does it work? We first drill a big enough hole to capture the steam. Then we funnel the steam into a turbine which turns an electric generator, generating electric current. Lastly, there is a draining pipe which disposes the water which is made by just taking the water out of the factory. Next slide.
But geothermal energy is better than fossil fuels because it does not produce any pollution, does not contribute to the greenhouse effect, and no fuel is needed, and it is renewable. The fossil fuels, you have to mine coal, and the mining coal can be difficult and dangerous, and it's not renewable, and once you've burned all the coals are anymore, so you have to get more, and it's more money, and fossil fuels takes up more space than geothermal energy, so geothermal energy is better.
I'm doing pros, as our using of fossil fuel has been more used and expensive. I will be speaking about pros that geothermal brings. Geothermal is more of a better and cleaner use because it's not creating carbon dioxide and it won't be a highly cost to buy fuel. It's also renewable. We pour water inside in the inner part of the earth and steam rises up for us to create energy. This is one of the best fuels. It does not damage our atmosphere. Geothermal is in progress in Italy, New Zealand, and Japan. This is a greater use, but there are things we need to lose.
While geothermal energy has factors that are better than fossil fuels, it also has its cons, just like any other resource. The plants used to get this energy can cause earthquakes, like the one in Switzerland in 1997. There also has to be a massive space to lay the pipes and build the energy plant. Some areas don't even have an abundant amount of geothermal heat, so if there is a wide enough area, the plant could not be placed there. One last con is the cost. It's expensive enough for just scouting the area and then add the cost of the materials to build it. Even with these cons, geothermal energy is renewable and the positives of using it over fossil fuels outweigh the cons.
I'm doing ways to make geothermal more accessible. Geothermal is an exceptional energy, but we still need to figure out ways to make it more accessible. To make it more available, more geysers would need to be found. One place we could use is Yellowstone National Park. We would need to build a fence around it, bore out the geysers, and build generating plants to produce it. Done.
And that concludes our presentation.
And that concludes our presentation.